Hi, friends. Welcome to today's marketing session. We are going to talk about something that is so top of mind right now for my community because there have been many like these aha moments, especially with some of the amazing women that I am helping to show up and become more visible on social media. So I thought, you know what, let's do an entire marketing training on this because I want to encourage you to do the same. So we're going to talk about Facebook Live and why it is so imperative for your business, especially as an entrepreneur. Okay. So as you jump on, let me know, are you currently going live on Facebook? And if so, how many times a month are you going live? Okay. So just drop the word, say yes. Don't say the word live because then you might get a different message from me. And I don't want to trigger a message. I just want to know from you if you're actually going live on Facebook. So say the word, say yes, Facebook, or yes, FB, and say no, FB, if you're not going live. Okay. And then drop the number as far as how many times per month you're doing this. I'd love to know. So if you are new to the page, welcome. My name is Ginna Tassinelli, and I am the owner and founder of Hype Media. We are a boutique social media marketing agency helping small business owners as well as entrepreneurs to elevate your personal brand, your style, and your visibility so you can reach more of your perfect audience and then convert them, right? That's the whole reason why we're here on this platform if you're using it for business. So, couple things. If you hear something that you think is like, oh my gosh, Ginna, thank you so much for telling me this. If you get that aha moment, I want you to drop a hashtag wow. Okay. And if you feel that maybe you have a VA or maybe you have somebody on your team or a entrepreneur that's a friend that should really listen to this training today, then feel free to drop their name down below or spread this in your news feed so they can check it out too. All right. So first, let's talk about why. Why go live? Why go live on Facebook? Why spend the time to plan this out and to make it happen? Here's why. Facebook, for one, is prioritizing videos, but better yet, Facebook Live videos in the news feed. Okay, so that right there is a number one reason to do this and to get on, to show up on camera, and to bring value to your community and to your audience. You're also going to be, because of that, you're going to more likely be found. Okay, there's Facebook Watch. If people type in certain keywords and you use these keywords or tags in your video, when you so there's some extra step strategies that we do and we teach our coaching clients as well. After you do a video, you want to go back in, you want to edit it, and you want to add some tags. These tags, the purpose of them is because when people are searching on Facebook inside of Facebook Watch, you have more of an opportunity of being found. All right. So compared to all other types of social media posts, it is going to have more prioritization than any other post that you put out there. All right. The length of that post is going to last much longer for you than any image post that you drop, especially if you're sharing some sort of link that links people outside of Facebook. Also, the reactions are so valuable. So a few reasons why. When somebody reacts to your video, when they comment, you have the opportunity to respond back to them, to reply back to them. Better yet, you have the opportunity to send them a message to their Facebook Messenger as your page. And then if you're going to be serious about driving content that will convert and lead you to sales, you want to start building and running a Facebook ad strategy. You can collect viewers that have viewed a certain amount of your videos and collect them into a custom audience that you can retarget to your ads. Okay. So and that's honestly, I would say, one of the biggest benefits of going live on Facebook is because you have data that you can capture and collect. And you know, if somebody's watching your video for at least 10 minutes, that they are somebody that really cares about your content, about your business, and what you have to offer. It also engages more than any other type of social media posts. Okay. Going live on Facebook is going to increase your engagement. Now, going live every single day is not going to do that, okay? Things run out of feeling special when it's something that you constantly do, meaning every single day. So I encourage you that if you currently are going live on Facebook, or if you're not yet, to work on a day and time of the week that you can commit to every single week, and do it once a day on your business page, or once a week, sorry, on your business page, and keep it consistent. That way, when you're going live, people know, okay, Ginna's going to be going live on Thursday at 12:30 p.m. Eastern time. People know I'm keeping it consistent. I also include that information in my cover image so that it's there, it's in front of people. If they land on my page, they can make a note of it if they want to. It's just another way to make sure that you're letting people know about your Facebook Live. It's also a great way to entertain your audience and to let them get to know you as a human being, as a personal brand. The point of that is that going live on Facebook really helps you stand out and helps you look and come off as the expert that you want people to see you as, right? And then the benefits of that are just incredible. When you are showing up as an expert, you can price yourself as an expert, you get more visible, you stand out, and so on and so forth. That's for a whole other training. So we're not going to get into that today because this is really all about Facebook Live instead. Other reasons, okay? You can engage with your audience. So you can have conversation while you're going live. And then you can also repurpose that live into other formats. Create a blog post out of it. Have it transcribed into a blog post. And there you go. You don't even need to write a new blog post. Chop it up into little pieces and create little clips. There's just so much repurposing, so many advantages to using live video for your marketing strategy. Okay, so what about getting over the fear of going live on Facebook? So this tends to be this is a normal thing, okay? So if you are afraid to hit that go live button, you're not alone, I promise you. I shook the very first time. I was super nervous. It's one of those things that once you do it once, for most, maybe it might take you more than, once, maybe twice, maybe 3 times. But once you get some practice and you do it over and over again, it becomes a lot easier and there's a smooth process to it. All right. Now, what I encourage my coaching clients to do is we work on coming up with 4 topics so that for 4 weeks straight, you have your Facebook Lives pretty much planned out. Now, you do want to create maybe a name to your show, or, have one main theme to the layout of your show, but every week have a different topic. And you can do this for, I would say, no longer than 30 minutes to be live, unless it's some sort of masterclass. And obviously there's probably more information, so you're going to want to go live longer. You definitely want to be on live for at least 15 minutes to give Facebook the time to start pushing your live to more of your page followers as you get more engagement on that live. Now, I will tell you, the first time you go live, you may have nobody watching, okay? Right now, as this is playing live, as this is happening live, there is nobody watching right now. So I know that most people will watch on the replay. Now, unless you're pushing ads to your live constantly, not to your live, but pre-promoting it to a post that is promoting your live, then that will definitely help you get more people live at the moment. Also, you want to let people know ahead of time through email. Maybe send out personal messages, maybe text messages. Say something on your personal profile about it. Maybe let people know in certain groups, or if you have a group, let them know about your live. All right, so there's different ways to pre-promote it to get people over to your live. So you definitely want to plan ahead and to do that. And when you set up these first 4 topics, then right there you have 4 weeks worth of lives. You also want to, during the live, encourage people to respond, okay? Encourage people to react, to engage with you. And that's also going to help push out that live while you're going live even more. So how can you practice? How can you get started with this? So something fun to do is you can actually go live on your personal profile. Just change your privacy setting to only me before you hit the go live button. And you can go live and you can practice. You can see exactly how your camera is set up. Are you looking straight into the camera lens? Are you speaking? Does it seem like you're speaking one-on-one? Are you being clear what you're saying? Is everything flowing and making sense? So that's a great way to practice, or just create a video on your phone and you can practice that way as well. Then after you go live, you want to repurpose it in different places. I gave you an example. Create a blog post out of it. Add it to Pinterest. That's a great one. Create different clips. Take different quotes that you said during your live and create quote images with it. And you can always link back to that Facebook Live as well. Send out a replay of it to your email list. So the more people that you can get back over to that live, the more engagement that you're going to get, the more data you're able to collect to create a custom audience based off of your video views from your Facebook Lives, which is priceless when you're wanting to run ads to an offer, to a program, to something that you're trying to sell. All right, so I hope that you guys found that helpful. If you're curious as to how to set up a Facebook Live strategy and you really want some mentoring on the process, on how to come up with topics, things like that, then I encourage you to check out the Splash Marketing Collective. It's my group coaching program, and we would love to welcome you in there. So it is a 6-month program where I take you through how to build your personal brand and then we take you through a Facebook Live strategy, how to create content, how to plan out your content, how to run Facebook ads. And the amazing ladies in there and I would absolutely love to welcome you. So if you want to check that out, drop the word Splash or go straight to that link and you can find out more information on that. I also do one-on-one mentoring, which actually bonuses you into the group, into the paid coaching group as well. So if you need a little bit more hand-holding through these processes, that's what we are here for. And I would love to jump on a call even if you want to just do a 30-minute conversation of how all of this works. We do that as well for free. Just say the word Splash and I will reach out to you and coordinate a complimentary 30-minute call to do that. And that'll also give me the opportunity to check out what you currently have going on. And I can give you some really helpful and impactful tips on how to optimize what you're currently doing. Okay, so feel free to do that. So I will see you guys next Thursday, 12:30 p.m. Eastern time. Remember, stay social, show up, and get live on Facebook, okay? Drop any questions or comments down below. I will come back to check them all out, and you guys have a fabulous rest of the week. Bye.